Today is National Daiquiri Day. Is it National or World Daiquiri Day? I don't know. We don't really like these days because it kind of like stresses us out. I feel like every day is some kind of day. Can we just have a day that's not a day? That we can just do nothing instead and not have to worry about this anymore?
Please.
But we did want to celebrate Daiquiri Day because daiquiris are here at Very Good Drinks, I think, our collective favorite cocktail. Daiquiris are very special to us. Very Good Drinks has been doing something we call Wacky Daiquiri. We try to make it a thing. I don't know if it's really a thing. After kind of going through the files, I remembered that there was something that I had been wanting to try for quite some time. Shout out to my dad. This time I'm not gonna change the shout out. For Christmas, I asked for xantham gum and gum arabic. Xantham gum is a emulsifier, it's like a thickener, and then gum arabic I think is also kind of like a thickener. Together, they make emulsion powder. What it's technically called is like ticoloid powder SB115 or something like that. I read Liquid Intelligence, okay? I know who Dave Arnold is. Let's be real. Of course I've read Liquid Intelligence. Of course I thumb through it sometimes late at night in bed. In that book, there is a recipe for butter syrup. So the wacky part of this wacky daiquiri is we're using emulsion powder. And using these magical powders, we are able to emulsify fat into water or syrup in this case, and make brown butter syrup. So essentially this is just a rich cane syrup that I've added emulsion powder to, and then also added a bit of browned butter. It's brown butter and sugar in a bottle. So yeah, it tastes pretty good.
It tastes like butterscotch.
Yeah, it's also salted butter, so it's like, it tastes, I mean, it's amazing. It's like butterscotch, rich, nutty, buttery. I think it's like a perfect thing to pair with some rum. So that's what we're doing today. We're making a brown butter daiquiri. So we're gonna have 3/4 of an ounce of our brown butter syrup. It is a rich syrup. It's a thick boy. I'm gonna have to use the finger method. I'm sorry. I know that you hate the finger method. We all do, really. I mean, nobody wants to use this finger method. It's like something you have to do. It's a daiquiri, so next up, super lime juice. I'm gonna do 3/4 of an ounce. You could do a full ounce. I like it a little tart sometimes. It kind of depends on my mood. In a sweet tooth kind of mood. This is a sweet tooth kind of daiquiri for sure. Smith & Cross, Jamaican rum, kind of desserty. It has some of the same butterscotch, buttery, like spice notes, and a lot of like caramelized banana flavor. It's really strong though, so we're gonna add 1/4 ounce of this. As our main rum for this daiquiri, we're gonna be using 10-to-1 silver? Caribbean white rum, sorry. So this is a blend of 2 different rums. It's mostly super clean, has really nice like clean daiquiri flavor, and has just a bit of like that funky Caribbean rum funk on the nose. So it's like a perfect daiquiri rum. Full transparency, 10-to-1 did send us this bottle as a present, which is so nice. Not a present, a gift, I guess. Is there a difference?
I think you can say present, that's cute.
They sent us a present, and we really like the rum. It's great, but they are not sponsoring the video. We just like the rum. We're just gonna add 1 ounce and 3/4 to give us a full 2-ounce pour total of rum. Now, there's no need to add any saline or anything here. The butter that we used for the brown butter was salted butter. So it's ready to go. Just those 4 ingredients. This is gonna be an epic daiquiri. Ooh. All right, and then we're gonna be real 2018 and put a...
Damn, calling people out with that one, dude.
Put a dried lime.
Mm.
All right. Brown butter daiquiri. It's a great daiquiri. Solid daiquiri. Sweet, sugary, buttery.
How's the mouth feel?
The mouth feels really nice. The The butters is really working with the Smith & Cross. I really like that. There it is, a brown butter daiquiri. Happy daiquiri day. Thanks for watching, and remember to get wacky with your daiquiris and send us what you make. Bye.